Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5170 Sunnyside Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is a Canandaigua Lake dream cottage that is totally new and right on the water.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This lakefront great room is just spectacular, featuring a white and bright kitchen and just stunning marble countertops with a breakfast bar, opening to those Great Lake views. The first floor is a convenient entry and a powder room. The second floor is very spacious, has 2 bedrooms and a beautiful bath, all with amazing lake views.
Enjoy the lake lifestyle with 57 feet of lake-level waterfront with a dock and panoramic views.
Sunnyside Road is one of those undiscovered areas of Canandaigua Lake that has privacy and amazing nature lake views. Boat or kayak to see wildlife at its best. Being a nature lover, this is the ideal place on Canandaigua Lake. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5170 Sunnyside Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!